Well, CatchBio is actually the reason that I'm here. I returned in the early days of CatchBio from a postdoc in the UK to Utrecht to take up an assistant professorship position working on catalysis for renewables. And this position was made possible by the CatchBio program. So in essence, I'm a product of CatchBio and I'm very happy to be one. At the moment, I'm an associate professor working on catalytic biomass conversion, and I benefit greatly from the opportunities that CatchBio brought me and from the network that I built within. CatchBio allowed me to work on many different projects and also with many different partners. We worked on levulinic acid hydrogenation, we worked on converting ethanol to butadiene, and we also worked on the characterization and the catalytic conversion of difficult feeds, recalcitrant feeds, such as lignins and humins. At the moment, we have still several CatchBio projects ongoing. We're working together with Groningen University on levulinic acid hydrogenation, and we're also working on the structural characterization of different kinds of lignins with 2 postdoctoral fellows. We should really start to see biomass as a valuable resource and not as a waste material. And we should try to convert it into high-value products, preferably chemicals. In order to do this, I think we need to make more use of the chemical complexity that nature gives us for free, and to see if we can use that chemical complexity to make new materials, new chemicals that find new applications and show improved performance. In the future, chemocatalysis will be a key enabling technology in order to materialize this. What we should do now next, I think, is to connect better to the other parts of the value chain. So we should talk to the plant breeders, we should talk to the biorefining people and to the people working on downstream processing. And by using this integrated approach, we can really make a difference in the future. One thing that we didn't do so much in CatchBio is take the whole biomass refinery approach. Many of the chemocatalytic steps that we study are interconnected. And what we need to work at is the sum of all steps. So what we need to have is a bit more of a holistic approach to biomass conversion, trying to integrate all the different components and all the different chemocatalytic conversion routes to get the overall greatest gain from the biomass that we use as a resource. Well, what was particularly powerful about the CatchBio consortium is that we had the academic partners working closely together with the industrial partners. And the industrial partners provided great feedback and gave great direction to the research questions that we studied. And it is these public-private partnerships that are also important in the future to do relevant work in this field. So I hope we can have new funding opportunities for this kind of research in this way. In addition to the scientific achievements and the scientific highlights, what was personally very rewarding for me was to see the PhD students develop and grow and mature into full-fledged scientists. And I think their graduation, at least for me, is one of the true highlights of the CatchBio program. CatchBio provided a great kickstart to my academic career. It exposed me to a new community in the field of biomass conversion and gave me a lot of knowledge in this field. And what I also found particularly useful was the many contacts and the many discussions we had with our industry partners who provided great input on the different topics and really guided my thinking in this field.